What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today we have an offering from the Milwaukee Tool Company. It's their compact brushless impact driver. Now, why is this compact brushless impact driver so important right now? Why are you watching this video? Well, the reality is that you probably are standing in a Home Depot right now and you're looking at the end caps and you're seeing this box and you want to know what's inside. Well, it's all coming right up. Okay, now that you're back, we got a little special treat for you. Since you're searching for Milwaukee tools anyway, and you're thinking about buying this compact brushless impact driver, we're going to give you an opportunity to maybe get one of these one-key combo kits from Milwaukee. All you got to do is go on over to our channel trailer. Go check it out. You could be a very lucky individual, possibly. So what we have is Milwaukee's M18 Red Lithium Compact Brushless Special by Promotional, say 21p. This is 2850-21p, which stands for Promotional. It comes with the Compact 2.0 battery. It also comes with the impact driver, one of the batteries, a dual voltage charger, and a Contractor bag. It's got the brushless motor. It's got the Red Link intelligence. It's got the Red Lithium 2.0 battery. It also has a 5-year tool warranty and a 2-year battery warranty. Let's just see what it says here. Milwaukee brushless motor provides over 50% longer runtime than brushed motors. Designed for increased performance in a compact size. Brushless motor has no wearable components for longer life. Guess what? We're going to find out if that's true in this video here. Because this compact brushless compact impact driver is going in a TTR. You want to know what that is? Go to that video there. You'll find out. See how it did. The Red Link intelligence gives overload protection, defends against abusive situations. Temperature management system provides maximum life, and individual cell voltage monitoring ensures optimal performance. Pretty cool stuff. And then the most durable pack on the market is the Red Lithium, over 2 times more recharges than the leading competitor, operates below 18 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Fuel gauge displays remaining charge, fits M18 tools. Yo, we've got a lot going on in here, you know, for such an inexpensive offering. At the depot right now, these are selling at $99. Pretty awesome. But let's see what's on the inside. Because isn't that the most important part? What's on the inside? Let me pull out my Power 3 knife from Spyderco. Yo, it's sporting the S110V steel. It's made in Golden, Colorado, USA, on planet Earth. Awesome knife. I'm loving it. Loving this knife. Boom. If you wanted to see more about that knife, you could go to this unboxing video here. Let's get this open. I'm so excited to get this open. Let's see what we get. We open the box, and boom, out of the box first is a bag that has all the contents that were listed on the box in here. It's a nice Contractor bag. I don't know what it's made of. I don't know if it's the same material. I would highly doubt it. As, for instance, the linesman's buckets and linesman's bags, but it does feel sturdy. Let's unzipper the bag. Out comes the literature. Look at it. Out comes the manual, the operator's manual. Yo, this stuff makes good reading, if you know what I mean. You know, you're sitting down. You know, you get some time to sit down in the morning or the afternoon, whatever time your reading time is, if you know what I mean. This makes good reading literature. Okay, next out of the bag is a piece of cardboard. Then we have the multi-voltage charger. This is really good for multiple reasons. It charges two types of batteries, M18s and M12s. The other thing is that if you're buying this kit here, right, that has the drill, you know, the impact drill, impact driver, and the battery, you're getting this multi-voltage charger. If you wanted to go maybe buy bare tool right now in the M12 platform, you could score a free battery. Okay? Now, if you're not already in the platform, you already have a charger. You get the bare tool and the free battery. Listen, go to our best tool deals playlist. Go check it out. It's pretty commonplace from Milwaukee nowadays. They're including these multi-voltage. I mean, why have two different types of chargers nowadays? They could just produce this one charger and charge batteries on both platforms. Let's take a look at the brushless unit. Now, this brushless unit slots nicely in the middle of the standard M18 line and the fuel line. This is a good quality tool. You're going to be able to get a lot of work done with this tool. It's not the top of the line, okay? It's not the fuel. It's not the most powerful offering, but this is going to be a hard-working, long-lasting tool. This is the Compact 2.0 battery. This is a nice, for $99, you're getting a lot of tool and a lot of battery. You know, Milwaukee's main competitor, they're not giving you a 2.0 battery with their kit. They're giving you like a 1.3 amp hour battery. You ask me, I think they needed to step it up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Tool only, weight-wise, we're looking at 2 pounds, 1.1 ounces. The 2.0 battery, we're looking at 15.4 ounces. When you put them together, you got a total combined weight of 3 pounds, 0.5 ounces. So 3 pounds. Man, that is a compact package. From the back of the tool all the way to the end of the collet, you're looking at 5.11 inches. Total height of the tool is 8.85 inches. So the width of the motor housing is 2.22 inches. The width of the tool at its widest point is here at the bottom where the belt clip is. You're looking at 3.70 inches. So I gotta tell you, it's a nice little compact offering from Milwaukee, and I really like it. And if you really like it, then smash the like button. Also, if you wanted to see this tool in action, right, all you got to do is go to this playlist here, right? It's up there, where this was in Tool Test Raw. I know what you're thinking to yourself, but Vince, you just unboxed it. How could it have already been in Tool Test Raw? It's magic. And I can't tell you my secret, but it is the holiday season, and magical things happen here at the shop in Camden, New Jersey during the holidays. So a little magic has happened. Go check it out. I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you're interested in how this thing performs, go check that. We'll see you all in that video over there or on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Thanks.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.